friends, good day to you. This is Jianhui Steel Bella. Do you know what the advantages of the Jianhui Steel factory products? I give you a list of the main 8 advantages. Number 1. Workability, durability. Number 2. High strength and long service. Number 3. Fireproof. Number 4. Resistant to wear and cracking. Number 5. Easy to maintain. Number 6. Professional production team and technical team. Number 7. Strict quality control and product quality certificate. Number 8. Direct video watch factory production workshop. Don't hesitate to call me if you have any questions. Bye. See you next time.